There's a version of AI most people know. You type something, it answers. You ask a question, you get a response. That's been the whole game for the past 2 years. But something shifted quietly in the last few months. And most people missed it. I stopped waiting to be asked. It started doing things on its own. That's what Agentic AI is, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why it's a bigger deal than anything that's come before it. Let's kill the jargon first. The word agentic comes from agent, something that takes action. A human agent books your flight. A real estate agent finds your house. They don't just give you information, they go out and do something with it. That's the difference. Old AI, you ask, it answers. Done. Agentic AI, you give it a goal, and it figures out the steps, runs them one by one, checks its own work, and keeps going until it's finished. Here's a simple way to think about it. You ask Chat, what's the best way to launch a YouTube channel? It gives you a list. You read it. You do the work yourself. You give an Agentic AI system the same goal. It opens a browser, researches what's working right now, writes a content plan, drafts the scripts, schedules the uploads, sends you a summary when it's done. Same goal, completely different result. The AI didn't answer your question. It completed your task. So how does this actually work? At the core, Agentic AI runs on a loop. Step 1, it reads the situation. What's the goal? What tools does it have? Step 2, it makes a plan, a sequence of steps toward the end goal. Step 3, it takes action, writing code, searching the web, sending an email. Step 4, it checks the result. Did that work? If yes, next step. If no, try a different approach. And then it repeats until the job is done or it hits a wall. What makes this possible right now is 2 things. First, modern language models are good enough to reason about multi-step tasks. Second, they've been given tools, web browsing, code execution, file access, email. These aren't just chatbots anymore. They're connected to the real world. Just remember this, it can now take actions, not just give answers. This isn't theoretical. This is already running. Devin, made by a company called Cognition, is a software engineer agent. You give it a coding task. It opens a terminal, writes code, runs it, finds the bugs, fixes them, and delivers working software. Real engineers are using it today. Claude from Anthropic can literally operate your screen, click buttons, fill forms, navigate websites like a person sitting at your keyboard. AutoGPT lets you give a business objective, find 50 leads, write outreach emails, draft a summary, and it runs the whole thing without you touching anything. Microsoft Copilot inside Office can now plan your projects, draft documents, analyze spreadsheets, and schedule meetings, all from a single prompt. And OpenAI's operator can browse the web on your behalf, book restaurants, fill applications, compare products, buy things. This is not coming soon. It's already here. Here's where I want to be straight with you. The honest answer to what this means for jobs is it depends on what the job actually is. If your job is mostly taking information, processing it, and producing a standard output, Agentic AI is going to be very good at that. Research, drafting, data entry, scheduling, basic coding, customer support. If your job involves judgment calls, relationships, physical work, or creative direction, you're in much better shape. For now, the people who will do well in this shift are not the ones who fight it. They're the ones who get good at directing these agents. Think of it like having a very capable but inexperienced employee. You still need to know what outcome you want. You still need to check the work. You still need to handle the things that go sideways. The skill that will matter in the next 5 years isn't coding. It's knowing how to break a goal into clear steps and verify the results. Agentic AI is the shift from AI as a tool you use to AI as something that works alongside you. That boundary is going to keep moving. If you want to keep up with where it's going, subscribe. I put out 2 videos a week, no filler, no hype, just the stuff that actually helps you understand what's happening. Next video, 5 AI tools you can start using this week that most people don't know about yet. See you there.